Is your Windows PC slow and laggy? In the next 2 minutes, I will show you 5 simple settings that instantly boost performance. No software, no risk. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe to the Maliky Academy for more smart videos, tips like this. Step 1. Disable Startup Apps. Go to the Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar and click on Task Manager. Then go to Startup tab. Disable anything you don't need at startup. These slow down your boot time massively. Step 2. Turn off visual effects. Search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Choose Adjust for best performance or customize it to keep smooth fonts. This reduces lag, especially on older machines. Step 3. Run Storage Sense. Open Settings, System, Storage, and then Storage Sense. Enable it to automatically delete junk files, temporary files, and old recycle bin content. It keeps your system clean and fast. Step 4. Uninstall Bloatware. Go to the Settings, then go to Apps, Install Apps, and remove apps you don't use. Pre-install trials, games, and toolbars. Less clutter, more speed. Step 5. Restart your PC regularly. Restart your PC at least every few days. It cleans memory, resets processes, and applies updates. And that's it. 2 minutes, 5 steps, much faster PC. Let me know in the comment which one helped you the most. See you again.